Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's video, do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the iQOO 7 device after the recent software update. Yes friends, this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers, and during this time demonstration I'll try to use the 5 applications and 5 games, and big games also I did include the Battlegrounds Mobile and Call of Duty as well. Let's see which phone will be able to open these applications and the games faster. That is what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. And this is my first time doing this kind of side-by-side comparison after the recent software update. So I just want to see whether the Dimensity 1200 will be opening the applications and games faster, or the Snapdragon 870 which will be opening faster. So how much difference can it be there between these two phones? So that is what my main motive of making this video. And in case if you are interested in this kind of similar kind of videos, make sure to hit that subscribe and also stay focused by following the playlist which I created for the process speed test comparison. As you can see, this is a process speed test comparison. Here you can actually find all the speed tests which I did after the recent software update. So which will be really helpful in case if you plan to buy one of the devices. So iQOO 7 device did turn on first, as you can see exactly, before the OnePlus Nord 2 device, not bad. And then the OnePlus Nord 2. And during this process demonstration, I need to use the Wi-Fi connection obviously to open all those games and applications. And both phones are connecting to the 5 GHz network, as you can see friends exactly. That's perfect, 5 GHz network, both phones are connected. Let me do to clear everything from the background. Everything is perfectly clean from the background. Let's start with the first application, which is a Google Chrome application. And during this process, I'm trying to turn on the extended RAM capabilities. And in this phone, there's a RAM boost option available, so which is available in the settings. So I did turn on those options as well. So let's open the Google Chrome application first. 1, 2, 3. Not bad. Both phones did open slightly same, and is Amazon application and Flipkart application first in the iQOO 7 device did load faster. Let me try to keep these mobile phones in the background. So maybe I'll try to select the Samsung at this time. I'm just trying to keep them in the background as a RAM management, and is a touch sampling rate comparison. I'm trying to keep this application in the background as well. And next is a Play Store, and let's keep this game in the background. So now the applications has been finished, and now let's move to the games. Let's see which phone will be able to open these games faster, Snapdragon 870 or the Dimensity 1200. Sorry for the sound. I think both phones, no issues. Next is Temple Run. Let's see the Temple Run. Let me slightly zoom into the camera so you will be able to exactly focus between both phones properly. Right now both phones are, I think at same time, not bad. Next is Battlegrounds Mobile game. So let's see this big game, which phone can actually open the Battlegrounds Mobile faster. So iQOO 7 device did open faster, as you can see the loading speed in the iQOO 7 device in the Dimensity 1200. So right now it's kind of loading. As you can see friends, the first phone to load is the iQOO 7 device. You can clearly see the winner in terms of the loading speed, and the OnePlus Nord 2 slightly slow. And next is a Call of Duty game. Let's start with the Call of Duty 1, 2, 3. So let's see Call of Duty. So I just want to say which game will be showing us the confirm page first. So let's see whether the game is not updated, I think so, in the iQOO 7 device. So let me need to start this game again. So because the game is not updated in the iQOO 7 device at this moment. Let's start again, 1, 2, 3. Let's see this time the loading speed, which phone can have actually faster. And don't forget to stay tuned for those playlist trends which are created for the processor playlist. You can see the iQOO 7 device did show this page first, then the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Not bad. Okay, as you can clearly see the difference. And the final game is a FIFA game. Let's see the FIFA game, OnePlus Nord 2 and the iQOO 7 device. So which phone will be able to open faster? The iQOO 7 device did open faster than the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Not bad. As you can see the difference how it is between both phones, and then in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So finally I did open all the 5 applications and 5 games between both phones. As you can see everything starting from the Google Chrome application to the FIFA game. Not bad. Now let me come back from the back side. I just want to see how many games will be in the background RAM management. And here we go, 3 games and Temple Run. Yes. So in the previous videos, I did do the speed test in the OnePlus Nord 2 without doing restart. If you don't do the restart in the OnePlus Nord 2, what happens is that you can actually store only 3 games. Yes, it did happen in the previous speed test results. I just want to check what will happen if you don't do the restart. That is the reason those videos I did not do the restart before starting the speed test. But right now in this speed test, you can actually see 5 games the OnePlus Nord 2 was able to load properly. An iQOO 7 device did not load this Subway Surf for some reason. But let me try to start from the multitasking. Let's see what happens. Yeah, multitasking 1, 2, 3. Not bad, both phones. Let's see the touch sampling rate. These lines, which phone can actually store these lines? 1, 2, 3. iQOO 7 did store the lines. As you can see exactly, friends. That is the reason I thought of keeping this application just to check which phone can actually store these lines. But in the OnePlus Nord 2, it got completely clean. And next application is the Flipkart. Flipkart, I did keep the Samsung page 1, 2, 3. iQOO 7 did load faster than the Samsung phone, not bad. And next is Amazon application 1, 2, 3. Amazon also slightly faster in the iQOO 7 device. And finally the Google Chrome. Google Chrome also slightly faster in the iQOO 7 device, not bad. As you can see, friends, clearly. So in terms of the RAM management, the clear winner is iQOO 7 device, and speed test also iQOO 7 device. And in case if you are having any other doubts, so make sure to check the playlist. All the doubts will be completely clean between both phones. And these are the things about the after update in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So there is nothing much changed even before update, after update. RAM management remains same in the OnePlus Nord 2. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.